Hello everyone. Today, we will discuss Kerberos and SESAME protocols. What are they and what is the difference between them? Kerberos and SESAME are access control authentication protocols. Let's start with: what is access control authentication protocols? Access control authentication protocols are communications or cryptographic protocols made to transfer authentication data between two entities. They authenticate to the connecting entity, often a server, as well as authenticate itself, often a server or desktop, by declaring the type of information needed for authentication as well as syntax. It is the most important layer of protection needed for secure communication between networks. Now let's see. What is Kerberos? Kerberos is authentication protocol that uses tickets to allow nodes to communicate over a non-secure network and prove their identity to each other in a secure way. Kerberos is based on a client-server model, and it provides mutual authentication for the user and the server to verify each other's identity. Messages are protected against eavesdropping and replay attacks. Kerberos was built on symmetric keys and requires a trusted third party, and can use PKI during certain phases of authentication. Kerberos uses UDP port 88 by default. The main pros of Kerberos are that it is easy for end users, centralized control, and easy also for network administrators. In other side, the cons are it provides single point of failure, access to everything with single password. If it was broken, then you have the key to kingdom. Let's look to SESAME now. So, what is SESAME? SESAME is shortcut for Secure European System for Applications in a Multi-Vendor Environment. Often called the successor to Kerberos, it addresses some of the issues of Kerberos. SESAME uses PKI encryption, asymmetric, which fixed the Kerberos issue in storing symmetric keys in plaintext. SESAME uses a PAS, Privilege Attribute Server, which issues PACs, Privilege Attribute Certificates, instead of Kerberos tickets. Not widely used, Kerberos is widely used since it is natively in most OSs. Now, after we took a quick idea about both protocols, let's compare them. Kerberos versus SESAME. First, both of them provide single point of failure. Quick note here that organizations try to overcome this problem with using solutions like multi-factor authentications. Second similarity here is that both of them provide central control. Third point here is that Kerberos uses tickets while SESAME uses PACs. Fourth comparison point here is that Kerberos uses symmetric encryption while SESAME uses asymmetric encryption. That last one is that Kerberos is mostly used because it is built in most operating systems. I hope after watching this tutorial you have clear idea about Kerberos versus SESAME. Thank you for watching. Please, if you liked our video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.